So what, you're just gonna sit there the whole time? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video with your lovely, gorgeous host, Chet Maddox. Uh, you know, the response has been incredible on our whole NFT series that I decided to just keep going. You know, it's like the world's greatest streamer mixed with the world's greatest artist bring you the world's greatest NFT project with this creepy panda. All right, I guess you're just gonna stay there. Anyways, hey, so we are going to get into mostly this time what's next and how and where to buy, because we went through and we had the setting up your MetaMask. We're gonna go over a little bit on that again in this episode, just as a little refresher. Just to refresh, you know what I mean? Like, I need to be refreshed. That kind of refreshment, you know? Because I don't want you to not be able to NFT it up. So in this quick episode, we're gonna get into how to add money again through MetaMask, and then we're gonna also talk a little bit about other apps that help you watch NFTs, and then we're gonna go from there. And if you keep messing up my visuals, hey, you're creepy. Let's go over to the computer. So if you don't know, we're really excited. Potbellypandacrew.com is live and up to date, and you can see everything. You can hear about how we found this. Harry Swanson. There's a ton of stuff that you get to read here about our backstory, everything like that. So when you do get the chance to mint one of these bad boys, you're able to mint one of these bad boys, and I'll be really excited that you're part of the Panda Crew. Potbelly Panda Crew for life. Anyways, let's get into this. So if you remember in the last video, we talked about MetaMask. You were to download it, you would get it installed. It's on Chrome, you have it, and you're like, cool, that's awesome, what's next? If you click up here on your little fox icon, that gives you the drop down, and you might say to yourself, hey self, I have no money in my MetaMask, and I'll be like, well, you should reference the other video where Chet advises you to add money, but in case we forgot, it's totally fine, not a problem. Here's how you add $1,000. I'm just kidding. You can add whatever you want, but you do need to understand that whatever you're going to pay for an NFT, so if we sell ours at, like, let's say 0.05% ETH or 0.05 ETH, it's like 175 something ish dollars, somewhere around there. Could be more, could be less. You still also need the gas price. Enough of that. That was talked about in the other video. This one, I'm going to show you really quick. You click on buy. You have these few options. You have wire. You can hit continue to wire. We'll just do this. It's gonna take you to another page, and you're like, oh man, let's go to this page. And here you can see right here you have the transaction fees, how much it is. It breaks it down for you. I actually love wire. I think it's really good. This is also the option that you have if you're using a mobile device, at least on iPhones. It gives you the ability for Apple Pay. This is the app you're going to use. Some use MoonPay. We're not getting into that. Just know that's trusted if you do get it. I'm parched, and now I'm not. So here you can make your decision. I think if we do like 1,000, yeah, you can't. It'll tell you how many ETHs you're going to get. Put in whatever amount you want. I do suggest using money, of course. This is not financial advice, okay? But if you're going to do this, do it with money you can afford to lose. That's all I'm saying. You go through, it's like buying something online. Everyone's bought things online. But that's it. That's how you're going to add it. It'll go through the process. It'll do whatever it's going to do. And then under here, you'll see this changes, shows you the amount that you have. And it's usually pretty quick. It's like 30 seconds. For a minute at most is what I've experienced. So that's that. Now, you might be wondering, what's next? How do I mint? Where do I find things to mint? I'm going to show you right now. Thanks for asking. You go here. There's a website I want you guys to write down because it is actually really cool, and it does play a big part in the minting process. And now and into the future, majority of NFTs upload their things here. It's called rarity.tools. That's rarity.tools. So make sure you write that down. What this is one that shows you like up and coming ones. We'll just click on one here, the Bullish Llama. So this one will show you like all the rarities. So this is where NFTs get really cool. And we'll get into that in another video, but basically this shows you your rarities of your NFTs that you're going to buy, things like that. But from here you go, oh, you know what? I really like this. I want to see what's going on their website. So they typically will have a website link. You click on that. Now it takes you here. This is where the fun starts to happen, and where it's important to be on a computer because it's a lot easier than it is on an iOS device. But here you get to read the site, just like you do on Potbelly Panda Crew. But we're showing this one because this one is live for minting. They sold out. Minting is the process of actually claiming an NFT of your own. So you hit claim now. It'll say, how do I connect? Again, you're going to do Metamask Wallet Connect. That's some time. You can take your time to figure that out. Maybe we'll get into that. I'm not sure yet. We're mostly still sticking with Metamask because Metamask is probably one of the top things. Well, it is the top wallet right now to use for this. So we'll click Metamask. You're then going to get this pop-up. This pop-up, let me see if I can show you. Here we go. So this pop-up right here is super important, and you'll get this. What this is asking you, hey, Bullish Llama wants to connect to your Metamask, right? To this account. It wants to connect. So you're going to hit next. And then it'll tell you, do you want to allow this site to view the addresses of your permitted accounts? This is required. That means it wants to view your address, your wallet address, which is where your funds sit and where it's going to deliver the NFT. Because remember, your funds and your NFTs all live in association with your wallet ID. So this is a screen where you do want to say yes. This is why it's important to understand which site you're on, but we're going to hit connect. So you'll see this connecting phase. And now we're done. So now if you look at the top up here, it has our wallet. So we know where it is. And you can say get llama now. It'll tell you like you can get the max, which is 10. We don't want 10. We'll just say 1. Now this is going to fail because I don't have money in this Metamask wallet, but I just want you to see you can hit mint. You'll get this pop up again. And then this is what's really, really important. Okay? You're gonna get this pop up and it's gonna say basically it's gonna tell you like the estimated gas fees, and right now you can see it's $91. Right? So it's $91 on top of whatever else they were going to pay. So realistically, to mint one of these llamas, it's $355.71. So you have to have that in your account. That is why I say play with the money that you can afford to play with. But if I had the money in here, it would say confirm. I would do it. It would process it. You'd get a little spinning wheel, and then bam, just like that, you get it in your wallet. It says insufficient funds, which is great. But you can see, even though we waited, gas price went down to $85. So had we minted just like a minute ago, it would have been like $99. It would have almost been $100. We're saving. Now we're down to 81. So sometimes it pays to hold off on it. But if it's a high mint and people really want it, this is going to get to be really ridiculous. So we're going to hit reject. So you'll usually get a message in the bottom of the screen saying like you rejected this. But that's realistically where you're going to go. You're going to go to like Rarity Tools. This is a really good spot to keep track of all of your like upcoming NFTs. Jump in there when you do get an NFT. just to show you, because some people did mint these, so we know we went into here. If you click on like this one, the rarity score tells you like how rare this is, and then you can kind of see, and it goes down and breaks down all the characteristics. So like if you had like a gold chain, right? This one says a weapon, the katana. 155 of these were minted with a katana. So you really can see like how many of these are going to have them, and then if you like them, you can also sort on Rarity Tools by that. But Rarity Tools is awesome. I highly suggest it. Something I found early on in NFT world. It's fantastic. It'll help you in your journey. It's a really good tool. So we don't need Bullish Llama. So that's really how you're going to find them. That's really where you're going to go. You know, have fun with it. I do highly suggest that you join people's Twitter. You join Discord. We're going to hold a Twitter space. That's really big for minting NFTs. Just be active in the community. If you have not joined yet, please join the Potbelly Panda Crew Discord. We're in there. I will be in there a lot, offering up help and solutions on NFTs and getting you started, how that all works. But in the next video, we are going to go into OpenSea, which is where you do a lot of secondhand minting. So a lot of that has to do with, like, you may have missed the mint on the website. Now you have to buy it from a third-party website. Basically a secondary minting process, which is like OpenSea is like the world's biggest garage sale for NFTs. It's fantastic. I look forward to seeing you on that video. And until next time, mint away. Let's see if Creepy Panda is still there. Creepy Panda, you just chewing that bamboo? This guy. All right. I'm Chet Maddox. Thank you for stopping by. Hopefully that helped and was a little refresher. We're going to kind of move away from MetaMask and assume that you watched the other videos. You've been fantastic. I've enjoyed your stay. Hopefully it's been the same for you. I know it has, because, I mean, it's me, you know, Chet Maddox. Anyways, thank you guys, and we'll see you in the Discord. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.
It's the Potbelly Panda Crew, doing the stuff the pandas do. Wild adventures, eating bamboo. It's the Potbelly Panda Crew. The rough and tumble, but pretty cute too. Coming from the panda forest straight to you. Won't believe all the things they get into. It's the Potbelly Panda Crew. Oh yeah!